While the world is busy debating whether AI will take their jobs, a small circle of experts is doing the exact opposite. They are becoming the architects of the new economy. Today, I'm not just showing you a tool, I'm showing you a transformation. In minutes, I am building a 24/7 digital employee. No salary, no vacations, and zero errors. The hours for dollars, you're playing a game that's already over. Let's build the future. The traditional education system is training you for a world that no longer exists. They teach you to be a laborer. I'm teaching you to be a landlord of the digital age. The AI edge isn't about knowing how to use ChatGPT, it's about building a system. Most people fail because they treat AI like a toy. A mastermind treats AI like an infrastructure. If you don't build your system today, you will be working for someone else's AI tomorrow. We don't just ask AI, we program it with a high-level executive persona. We are giving our AI an IQ of 160 and specific industry constraints. This is the secret missing link. We connect our AI brain to the real world using logic triggers. Whether it's market data, client leads, or content creation, the AI reacts instantly. It doesn't wait for instructions, it executes. Now we remove ourselves from the equation. The system is set to autopilot. What you see here is a machine that generates value 24 hours a day, 365 days a year. The window of opportunity is closing. The AI space is getting crowded. Those who act now will dominate the next decade. Those who wait will be left wondering what happened to their industry. This isn't just a tutorial, it's your invitation to the top 1%. I've documented the exact neural prompts and automation workflows I used in this video into a mastermind blueprint. I'm giving it away for free to the first 100 people who comment AI Edge below. Subscribe to join the lab. The future belongs to those who automate it. Automate, innovate, dominate. I'll see you in the next move.